75 years young. That's not a caption for our India, which recently celebrated its 75th Independence Day. But instead, Vespa, as you can see the brand here, is celebrating 75 years of existence, not just in India but in the world. So to mark this occasion for the Indian audience, we have got something, and this is that product. This is the Vespa 75th Anniversary Edition model, which has been launched in India today. You can book one at the Vespa showroom or online, and the price for booking is only 5,000, whereas you get an option for 125cc as well as 150cc capacity with the scooter. So for the 125, the price is around 1.29 lakh, and the 150cc would cost 1.40 lakh. The prices are on your screen right now. So this is ex-showroom, making it the costliest ICE or internal combustion engine scooter in India today. Okay, the changes, this new color, it harks back to the heritage of Vespa. So you have an emblem, 75th emblem out there. That's the difference. Plus, this duffel bag that you see has been designed exclusively for this 75th edition. You get this Nobuko leather seats. The duffel bag is also made of the same material. There are no other changes that you can see here. There is one more emblem out there. Yeah. You get a fly screen as well as LED headlamp. You also get a part digital instrument console. There you go. That's the part digital instrument console. The switches are all are same from before, so there's not much of a change there. You also get a glove box on which the 75th anniversary edition or emblem is embossed. This is a 150cc. You can see it there. Alright, so this is the costliest ICE scooter in India right now. Doesn't get anything significant except for this new brushed alloy wheels. So do let us know if you will be buying this scooter. I guess it's a limited edition model. No comments from Vespa yet about the same. Okay, it's a collector's antique edition number 4. Just giving you a walk around of the same. This one has got ABS as well. It's a 150cc. The 125 unit will get CBS, which is combi braking system. MRF zapper tires out here. Looks brilliant as usual with every Vespa or Aprilia scooter in India. This is what you get. A closer look at the fly screen. Classic mirrors as well. Alright, so this is us signing off. Do remember to subscribe to the channel. Take good care of yourself. Bye.